You know how they look. Yep, there you go.
But now it's starting to get dark, and so you might be wondering, what you have some options. I should let you know that every fire zone is open for you today. If you'd like to, they have food, water, and hot at departments in Glen Arbor, Sutton Bay, Leelanau Station, also the stations in Cedar and Elmwood. Landlines are down there, so they can't take your phone calls, so if you have to take them to the word that they are all open. A lot of cancel for tonight and tomorrow. Best idea is to call ahead. There is no Beta transportation. They have canceled services for the remainder of the weekend, but back to regular service on Monday. And again, if you see a down power line, most likely power companies know about that. But in the event that a new branch or tree fell on one, whatever you do, don't touch it. Don't try to move it yourself. And don't call 911. They have enough going on without that. There is a down power line number, 1-800-477. Check into that forecast right here on TCM.
I'm Kelly with Consumers Energy. As a customer service representative, I take a lot of phone calls, especially after one of our only in Michigan snowstorms. But this call was different. This caller wants to know where to move the line that fell in his yard in last night's blizzard. He wants to make sure our crew can find it. Very slowly I say, do not touch that line. I'm practically screaming at the guy. Never get within 25 feet of a power line. They look harmless, but they're deadly. Promise me you won't go near the line. Stay away, stay alive.
You just saved my life.
That was a good day. I'm Kelly with Consumers Energy. If you ever see a down power line, stay away and call 800-477-5050 or visit consumersenergy.com. Stay away, stay alive. Consumers Energy. Count on us.
Hi, this is Big Fortnite with a invitation for you to join Disneyland as we host WWE's Spring Motor Coach Tour to Nashville. Come join a busload of WWECM listeners as we depart Thursday, April 12th for the capital of country music, Nashville, Tennessee. In first class all the way, with 3 nights at the beautiful Rocky Island Resort. We'll dine at hotspot, white guest, restaurants for breakfast, and dinner at Santa Fe Cattle Company. Riding into the guided tour of Nashville, go visit Music Row, Stars Homes, the Governor's Mansion, and go backstage at the Opry House. Then stop for dinner and a show at the General Jackson Showboat. Saturday, the Parkville Mansion, and the